Hi guys, this is Chris here at Jaztime.com. Today we have a brand new Rolex Datejust. This is a mid-size 31mm watch. The model number for this watch is a 178240. This watch is modified with a custom diamond dial and custom diamond bezel. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this beautiful piece and go over the dial, the bezel, the movement, bracelet, buckle, and also where you can get this for the lowest price. Now the model reference number again for this watch is 178240. This Rolex Datejust 31mm is a stainless steel. It has a stainless steel case. It's one of the most popular sizes at 31mm and it's super hot right now. Now as of January 2018, Jaztime is offering this watch for only $6,900, complete with modifications to the dial and the bezel. This watch has a custom white mother pearl diamond dial with 10 diamond hour markers. What we did is we replaced this dial, standard factory Rolex Roman dial here in this case, and we replaced that dial with a white mother of pearl custom diamond dial. What we've done is taken the diamond bezel that goes around this watch, was replaced with this smooth stainless steel bezel. There's a clear difference as to the two different types of bezels. This one definitely has a lot more bang to it. Now, mother of pearl, just so you know, it does shine 7 different shades. Every mother of pearl dial is different and unique in its own way because it is a natural substance. The movement that runs this Datejust 31mm watch is a caliber 2235 movement. It offers a date here at the 3 o'clock position, a date function, and also has a quick date adjustment, so you can actually cycle through the date really quickly, like so. If I open the crown, like so, and pull it out to the 2nd position, you can cycle through the date really quickly. You'll see through here at the 3 o'clock position of the watch. You can adjust the time in the 3rd position, outermost position. And after you set the time and date, you can actually push it back into the 1st position, wind it 15 to 20 times, give it a good charge, close up that crown nice and tight, screw it back on, and your watch will be ready to go. The movement has a 50-hour power reserve, so you can leave it overnight, maybe even 2 days without having to wind it, and it'll still be running when you put it back on your wrist. The bracelet we see here is an oyster bracelet. It has an oyster deployment. The bracelet is polished 2 different ways. You have a satin finish on the outside of the links, followed with a center links having a mirror finish or a high polish. Now if we open up the watch, we would actually open up the deployment like so. It allowed you to actually put that watch on your wrist. One thing I might add is that this watch actually has what's called an easy link deployment, where it will allow you to open up this strap or this deployment about 5mm. Look really closely here. You could actually deploy it and add another 5mm to your wrist so that if on a hot day your wrist swells up, you will not find yourself having to put your watch in your pocket because your watch is strangling your wrist. So this allows it to stay on your wrist in a safe position so you don't end up losing your watch. Let me put this on for size so you can see what it looks like on my wrist. Beautiful watch. Oozes Rolex. This is a perfect watch for most ladies, and we get a lot of calls regarding the interest in our 31mm Datejust. This is one of the most popular variations of this model with a white mother of pearl diamond dial, and your choice of either an oyster bracelet or a jubilee bracelet. At a Rolex retailer, you can get the original model, which is reference number 178384, that has the factory diamond dial, factory diamond bezel, and that retails for $15,950. You can buy that same model at Jaztime for as low as $13,600. But what we've done here with this model 178240, which is the base model of Datejust, we've added the aftermarket dial and bezel so that you're looking at roughly half the cost of one with everything factory from Rolex. I hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed it, you want to see more videos of the latest and greatest watches Jaztime has to offer, please subscribe. We have the lowest prices and a 1-year warranty with your purchase. Thank you for watching. This is Chris at Jaztime.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on the mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jaztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jaztime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.